and good inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without a name?
Hello and welcome to my channel. So to start this look off, I already had my base down and my eyes primed, and I went into the Colourpop She's a Rainbow palette, and I used the shade in that palette called Moonlight, and I placed it all over the lid and into the crease. I then added a little bit onto my bottom lash line as well. For my winged eyeliner, I used the Stargazer Cream Shadow in the shade Metallic Chrome. I use this because later on I cover the liner with some gems, and if there's any gaps in between the gems, this silver liner should fill it perfectly. I then went over the eyeliner with Makeup and Murder's eyelash glue, and when that got tacky I added some gems. What I used to add the gems is a nail art dotting tool with a little bit of blue tack on the end. In this tutorial I'm also wearing some coloured contact lenses. I got these from TTDI and they're in the style Crystal Ball Blue. I do have a discount code for them in the description box down below, along with Makeup and Murder, Colourpop and some other brands down there for you if you're interested. Getting back to the makeup, I used the Snazzaroo turquoise face paint and started to paint some tears coming from the tear ducts of my eyes. I then covered each and every tear with eyelash glue just like I did with the liner, and then added some gems. For my brows I used the Mayron Paradise face paint in the shade Lagoon Blue. For my bottom lashes I used a blue mascara, and this is the YSL Mascara Vinyl Couture in the shade 5. For my waterline I used the Colourpop Creme Gel Liner in the shade Exit. For lashes, I used the Baby Doll Lashes in the style 723. For my lips, I used the L'Oreal Colour Rich Couture Balmain lipstick in the shade Rebellion. Lastly, I put on this straight baby blue wig and this little bit of a blingy necklace to go with the tears, and we are done. This is my Diamond Tears makeup look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you do like it, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, press the subscribe button so you do not miss any more tutorials coming from me. Also, please go and follow me over on Instagram, as I've got a brand new account. It is at Brooke Ellis Makeup. It is on the screen right now and linked in the description box down below, along with those discount codes that I mentioned earlier. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!